Hello friends, Sabari here. Warm greetings from the channel Med Through Story. In the previous video, we learned the branches of the maxillary artery using the story title Life is a Boomerang. Today, we will learn the course and area of blood supply of each of the branch of the maxillary artery using the extension of the same story. Please note, we will continue with this video with the same associations used for various branches of the maxillary artery as indicated in the previous video. We'll share the link in the description below. Subscribe to the channel to learn story-based medical mnemonics that can help you ace your exams. Never miss to press the bell icon for future video uploads. We will first see the story that is related to the third segment branches. In the space, an alien attacked the couple and bit their faces. Not only that, the alien punched Pat's nose and damaged Terry's ear by inserting a tube. Alien was about to swallow Terry when Superman suddenly appeared and killed the alien by breaking its teeth. In return, Superman was gifted the most expensive wallet in Palestine. Harry consulted top doctors in Palestine, Vegas and Suez Canal for getting the tube operated from his uncle's ear and operating upon the damaged nasopharynx of his aunt. We are through with the story relevant to the third segment branches. Now it's time for the story connect. Except for the artery of the pterygoid canal and the pharyngeal artery, all the other arteries in the third segment passes through the foramina and their foramina is prefixed with the artery name. For example, infraorbital foramen is for the infraorbital artery. In the space, alien bit the couple on their face. This is the clue for infraorbital artery supplying the face and the anterior maxillary teeth. Pat's nose being punched is the clue for sphenopalatine artery supplying the nasal cavity. Terry's ear inserted with a tube and alien swallowing Terry helps us recollect that artery of the pterygoid canal supplies to the auditory tube along with the pharynx. Hint that we use for pharynx is the action of swallowing. Course of artery of the pterygoid canal is the pterygoid canal. Superman breaking the alien's teeth becomes the hint for posterior superior alveolar artery supplying the posterior maxillary teeth. Wallet gift in Palestine becomes the clue for greater palatine artery supplying the palate region. Palestine for palatino, Vegas for vaginal and Suez Canal for canal. Combining all the three and using the keyword Harry, we can easily remember that palatino-vaginal canal is the course for the pharyngeal artery. Surgery of the ear tube and the nasopharynx help us recollect that pharyngeal artery supplies the auditory tube along with the nasopharynx. A recap of the story is here. We have covered the third segment arteries. Now let's cover the second segment arteries. None of the arteries in the second segment passes through the foramina. The second segment arteries supply the muscles and region of supply is very much in the name of the artery itself. Pterygoid artery supplies the medial and lateral pterygoid muscles. Masseteric artery supplies the masseter muscle. Buccal artery supplies the cheek. Deep temporal artery supplies the temporalis muscle. Now let's proceed to the last part of the story related to the first segment branches. Ant-Man drove the Audi Jeep from middle to outside of the mall, making hell lot of noise and creating panic. He was in a hurry as his wife called him home urgently. On the way, Ant-Man filled petrol and later purchased meat for his family. I had a great time with Men in Black in the mall. I bought them samosa and gifted them an oval-shaped watch. We visited an aquarium and were shocked to see a big angry crab in the middle of a fish tank. Way back home, the infant who was with the old man slipped and hurt his chin and damaged his teeth near the chin. We are through with the story relevant to the first segment branches. Now it's time for the story connect. Most of the branches in the first segment passes through the foramina. Ant-man filling petrol is the hint to say that petrotympanic fissure is the course of anterior tympanic artery. Keywords middle and noise will help us remember that anterior tympanic artery supplies the middle ear. Jeep Audi making sound outside the mall and creating panic is the clue for deep auricular artery supplying the outer ear along with the tympanic membrane. Keywords outside, noise and meat will help us remember that external auditory meatus is the course of the deep auricular artery. Word samosa rhymes with Spinoza. Men in black enjoying samosa is the clue to recollect. Middle meningeal artery passes through the foramen spinosum. Word aquarium rhymes with calvarium. Middle and crab is the clue for the middle cranial fossa. Middle meningeal artery supplies the calvarium along with the middle cranial fossa. Both middle meningeal and accessory meningeal artery supply the calvarium along with the middle cranial fossa. Oval-shaped watch given to men in black becomes the clue to say accessory meningeal artery passes through the foramen ovale. Man for mandibular. Keywords infant and man helps us recollect that the inferior alveolar artery passes through the mandibular foramen. Infant with hurt chin and damaged teeth closer to the chin region helps us to remember that the inferior alveolar artery supplies the lower teeth. Mental artery of the inferior alveolar artery supplies to the chin. A recap of the story is here. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Friends, isn't the story-based learning easy and fun? If you found this video useful and creative, then do share among friends. See you all soon in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe, friends.